If you're trying to make some passive income with AI but keep getting stuck or confused, then this video is for you. Many people don't know where to start and end up wasting weeks with nothing to show for it. This is how you can actually set up AI to start earning even in the background. Pay attention because I'm going to break it down into simple steps that you can use right away, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. So before we get started, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more videos. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with step number 1, which is to build a simple AI-powered digital product and automate it so that it sells 24/7. If you'd like to make some passive income using AI, you can actually start by creating a simple digital product that solves one clear problem or takes away a simple pain point for a specific audience out there, because this will actually give you something valuable that people are already actually searching for. So if you don't know what to actually create, you can use ChatGPT, which you can access at www.chat.openai.com. And this AI tool or AI assistant works by letting you type in simple prompts, and it will instantly generate ideas, outlines, and even full content based on your request. So if you'd like to get a proven idea, you could just ask it for something like the following: list 10 digital products beginners can sell that solve real problems. So there's a simple prompt that you can put in, and it will give you some options that you can work with. And this will give you those options like those planners or those guides or those checklists that people actually need right now. Now, if you struggle to know what to actually sell or what actually sells, you could just go to Etsy at www.etsy.com and just search in the search bar for different keywords like budget planner or budgeting planner or fitness guide or home exercise guide or healthy eating guide or something like that. Because this marketplace shows real products that are already making sales right now. This is going to help you to avoid guessing and help you to find an existing demand. So if you follow this type of approach, you could quickly identify a product idea that has real demand, and you can start creating something that has a higher chance of actually making money. If you want to turn your idea into a real product, you can actually just use simple AI tools that remove the need for having any technical skills, because this will allow you to create something very valuable and professional without having any experience. Now, if you want an easy design platform to get started with, you can use Canva by going to www.canva.com and just signing up for a free account. And this tool is very useful because it provides literally thousands of ready-made templates that you can actually just edit and change for yourself for different digital assets like planners, ebooks, and even worksheets. You can just edit inside with its drag and drop features. So if you find that you don't know how to design, you can actually search inside of Canva for templates like ebook or even planner. Then you can just replace the text with your own content generated with AI. So you can actually build a very clean digital product fairly quickly. So if you want to organize your content before actually designing, you can use Notion by going to www.notion.so. which is going to help you to structure your ideas into sections and pages so your product feels clear and easy to actually follow. Now, if you use these tools together, so that's ChatGPT, Notion, and even Canva, you can actually go from having a simple idea to a finished digital product in a relatively short amount of time without needing any design skills. So if you want to start selling your product, you can actually use platforms that are built specifically for selling digital products, because this will allow you to start earning an income without building a full website of your own. Now, if you want a simple option to get started with, you could just go to Gumroad at www.gumroad.com, which is a digital marketplace, which allows you to actually upload your file, set a simple price, and actually instantly get a checkout page that customers can use to purchase the product. Now, if you want access to an audience that is already searching for different kinds of products, you can just list your item on Etsy by going to www.etsy.com, because this platform literally has millions of people searching on it every single month. So this platform is going to bring that traffic straight away and help beginners get visibility on their products a bit faster as well. Now, if you would like to have a bit more control over your branding, you can actually use Shopify by going to www.shopify.com. which lets you build your own store with customizable pages and payment systems built in. Now, if you set up on one of these platforms in the right way, you can create a very simple system using AI, where people can find your product and purchase it at any time without any manual effort. So if you want people to actually discover your product, you can actually create simple content using AI tools, because this will help you to generate that traffic without spending money on any ads. So if you want to create those short, engaging video clips, you can actually use CapCut, which is available on mobile and desktop. And this tool is very useful because it allows you to edit videos and captions and create engaging clips very quickly without needing any advanced editing skills at all. So that is CapCut. So if you don't know what to actually post, you can just go back to ChatGPT, and you can use ChatGPT to generate some video ideas, some scripts, and even some captions based on your product and based on questions that people are asking about the kind of things that your product actually solves. So you always have content to actually share. Now, if you want platforms to actually post on, you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, and even YouTube as well, because these platforms allow you to reach thousands of people without paying for any traffic. Now, if you stay consistent with posting helpful content that solves problems for your audience and provides them solutions, you can build an audience fairly quickly in a specific niche that naturally clicks through to your products. So if you want to automate your income, so it becomes a bit more passive, you can actually connect your tools together so the process runs without you actually being involved, because this will save you time and create a simple system that works for you 24/7. So if you'd like some automation in place with AI, you can actually use Zapier by going to www.zapier.com, which will actually connect different apps together for you. It allows you to create simple workflows like automatically sending your product to a customer after they actually make a purchase. Now, if you'd like to build an email list, which is something that you want to be doing from day one, because your email list is a very valuable digital asset and it can actually help you create recurring income as well, you can use MailChimp at mailchimp.com, or even ConvertKit at convertkit.com, or even Brevo at www.brevo.com. These are some very good autoresponders for you to use, because these kind of tools allow you to actually collect names and emails and then send automated messages to actually nurture your audience so you can actually provide value and actually promote your products as well to your email list. So if you don't know what to actually send, you can just use AI to write some simple email sequences that welcome new subscribers and guide them towards making a purchase. But you want to be giving them value as well, so you're actually nurturing your audience by helping them with their problems. You want to be giving them value as a nurturing sequence as well. And occasionally you want to promote to your product, promote to your email list to actually sell your products. So if you set this up in the right way, you can actually create a very simple system with one of these autoresponders and build that email list where sales and communication will happen more automatically for you. Now, if you find that your product is not getting too many sales, you can actually improve it by making small changes based on what works in the market right now. This is going to help you get better results without actually starting over. So if you want to improve your listing, you can just study similar products on websites like Etsy.com and just look at how the top sellers write their titles, their descriptions, and use their images. So you can actually understand what actually attracts buyers. You want to go to the top sellers on Etsy and just study what they're doing. Don't copy what they're doing, but just study what they're doing and just model that for your own products. Now, if you want stronger descriptions, you can actually use ChatGPT to actually rewrite your product page, focusing on clear benefits and outcomes like saving time or achieving a specific result or a specific outcome. So if you are a bit unsure about the pricing, you can just test different price points on Gumroad using their strategies, because small changes in pricing can increase the conversion rate of your product as well. Now, if you just keep testing and improving, you can actually turn a slow product into one that generates consistent sales. So if you are ready to grow your income a bit further, you can actually expand by creating multiple products based on the same type of system, because this will actually multiply your results over time. Now, if you already have one product, you can go back to ChatGPT to create different variations like a beginner, advanced, or a more niche specific version. So you can actually target different types of audiences around the same kind of niche. Now, if you'd like to increase the value, you can actually bundle products together and just sell them as a simple package, which often leads to higher earnings per customer. So if you actually stay consistent and continue creating, you can build a library of products that each bring in some income. If you follow this entire step very carefully, so find that existing demand first and then create a product to actually solve that specific problem, you can actually move from having no clear direction to actually building a simple AI-powered system that can generate passive income over time. Let's now move on to step number 2, which is to build an AI-powered content system that drives traffic to affiliate offers 24/7. If you'd like to make some passive income with AI without actually creating your own product, you could just start by using affiliate marketing, because this will allow you to actually earn extra money by promoting products and services that already actually exist and are already selling. So if you don't know where to actually begin, you could just go to an affiliate network like ClickBank at www.clickbank.com. This is a platform that connects product creators with people who actually want to promote those products. And another one you could go to is Digistore24 at www.digistore24.com. So these are basically affiliate networks, and they're going to give you a unique referral link for any kind of product that you want to promote. This is going to track every sale that you actually generate. So if you want a beginner friendly option, you can actually also go to Amazon Associates at www.amazon.co.uk/associates if you're in the UK. And Amazon Associates will allow you to promote physical products that basically people already trust and buy on a daily basis. So if you actually struggle to pick a product, you could just look for items with strong demand like fitness plans or weight loss plans or productivity tools or even learning resources, because these solve clear problems and are a bit easier to promote. But you want to go into a niche where there is profit potential. So think about the health market, the dating and relationships market, the online business market, and the property investment market as well. So these are some good markets for you to look into. You need to find a profitable niche first. So if you actually start with a product that already has proven demand, you can actually reduce the risk of wasting time and energy on something that actually won't convert very well. Now, if you want to create some content that actually attracts people, you can actually use different AI tools to generate ideas, scripts, and simple outlines, because this will help you to stay more consistent without you running out of ideas. So if you just go to ChatGPT at openai.com, you can actually just use a simple prompt like the following: give me 10 TikTok video ideas for promoting a fitness product for beginners that want to lose weight without going to a gym. So there's a simple prompt that you can actually use, and the AI will instantly give you some ideas to work with. This is going to give you some structured content ideas that you can actually use right away. Now, if you want longer written content, you can actually go to Jasper AI at www.jasper.ai. This is designed to create blog posts, product reviews, and even comparison articles. So all of these things are going to be very useful digital assets that you can actually use to drive traffic to affiliate offers. This is going to help you to build structured content that you can actually rank on search engines like Google as well. Now, if you want to stay a bit more organized, you can just use Notion by going to www.notion.so. This is going to allow you to create a content calendar, so you know exactly what to post each day and each week. Now, if you follow this type of process, you can actually remove the problem of inconsistency and always have some content ready to actually go. So if you want to turn your ideas into engaging videos for social media, you can actually use simple editing tools that will allow you to create content quickly without having any advanced skills, because this is going to help you to produce more content in less time. So if you just download CapCut, you can actually edit videos directly on your phone or even on your computer. And this app is useful because it includes lots of built-in templates, automatic captions, and even some very easy trimming tools that speed up the editing process. So CapCut is a really good option for those short form videos. Now, if you don't want to record your own voice, that's not a problem at all. You can go to 11 Labs at www.11labs.io and just use 11 Labs, which actually converts written text into a realistic voiceover with AI. So this allows you to create videos without actually you speaking on the camera. Now, if you find that you need those visuals and those graphics or those videos, you can actually go to Pexels at www.pexels.com. And you can use Pexels, which provides free video clips and images that you can actually legally use in your own content without any copyright issues. Now, if you combine these types of tools, so that's Pexels and CapCut, you can actually create some high quality, short, engaging clips and videos. That's going to look professional and keep those viewers engaged. Now, if you want to get views and traffic, you can actually post your content on different platforms that push content to new audiences, because this is going to help you to grow without needing any followers at the very start. Now, if you use TikTok and Instagram, you can actually just post short, engaging clips and videos that have the chance to go viral and reach thousands of people fairly quickly. Now, if you want more longer term visibility, you can also post on YouTube as well, especially using YouTube Shorts, because these videos can continue getting views over time. Now, if you don't know how to actually structure your videos, don't be concerned. You can just use AI to generate simple scripts that focus on solving a problem or explaining a clear benefit or an outcome, because this will make your content much more engaging for your target audience. Now, if you stay consistent and post on a regular basis, you can build a steady flow of traffic that will click through and go through to your affiliate links. Now, if you want to increase your chances of actually making some sales, you can improve how you present your affiliate products, because this is going to help you to build that trust and make people more likely to actually purchase. So if you actually create content that shows how a product solves a real problem, you can actually make your videos much more helpful and less promotional as well, which leads to higher conversions. So you want to be giving lots of value by showing people how things actually solve a problem, but don't always promote your product. Now, if you'd like to improve your captions and descriptions, you can just use ChatGPT to actually rewrite them with some clear benefits and clear outcomes, so your audience will understand better why they should actually click through to your link and check out the affiliate product. Now, if you are a bit unsure what actually works, you can just study those successful creators within your niche and just analyze how they actually present products and structure their content. So just take a note of what they're doing and then just model those kind of ideas for your own content. Now, if you apply these improvements, you can actually increase both the clicks and the sales over time. Now, if you want to automate and scale this type of system, you can create a simple workflow that allows you to produce and post content more consistently without doing everything yourself, because this will actually turn your efforts into a more passive income stream. So if you just go to Buffer at www.buffer.com, you can actually schedule posts in advance, so your content is published automatically across different platforms. Another good alternative to that is Later at www.later.com. Now, if you want to track your performance as well, you can just use built-in analytics on these different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, which is going to show you which videos get the most clicks and the most views. So if you go to the YouTube Creator Studio in your YouTube account, it's going to tell you all of these things. So you can just focus on what actually works best for the content that you are actually creating. Now, if you continue improving your content and just tweaking it over time to make it stronger, more engaging, with better clips, better hooks, and better calls to action, and providing real solutions to real problems, and scaling your output, you can actually build a very simple system with AI where your videos consistently bring in new traffic and generate affiliate commissions over time. Let's now move on to step number 3, which is to build a simple AI-powered niche website that earns passive income through ads and search traffic. If you want to make some passive income with AI without relying on social media, you could just start by building a niche website that answers specific questions that people are searching for on Google, because this will help to bring in some traffic automatically over time without needing any daily posting. So if you don't know how to actually build a website, you could just go to WordPress at www.wordpress.org, which is one of the most widely used website platforms in the world today. And WordPress allows you to create a full website using simple themes and plugins without doing any coding. Now, if you want an easier setup, you can also use Wix if you go to www.wix.com. And you can use Wix, which will provide a drag and drop editor where you can just visually design pages and publish them very quickly. Now, if you struggle with website hosting, you can just go to providers like SiteGround.com, so that's www.siteground.com, or even Bluehost at www.bluehost.com, because these can actually handle the storage and make your website live on the internet. Now, if you set this up in the right way, you can create a platform that works for you 24/7 and becomes the foundation for long-term passive income. Now, if you want to choose a niche that actually gets traffic, you can use keyword research tools to actually find what people are actively searching for, because this will actually remove the guesswork and increase your chances of getting better success. So if you just go to Answer the Public at www.answerthepublic.com and use Answer the Public, you could just type in a simple topic like fitness or weight loss or even saving money or anything like this. And this tool will actually show you the real questions that people are searching for on Google in a visual format. So you can actually see the exact things that people are searching for on Google in every niche that you can think of with Answer the Public. Now, if you want to dive a bit deeper and get more deeper insights, you can also go to www.neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. And you can actually use Ubersuggest, which is another keyword research tool. This is going to show you how many people are searching for a specific keyword or a search term every single month and how competitive it actually is in the market. So if you don't know which keywords to actually choose, you could just focus on those long tail keyword phrases like how to lose weight at home for beginners. So that's an example of a long-term keyword, because these are generally a bit easier to rank for on Google and attract those targeted visitors. Now, if you use these types of keyword research tools, so Answer the Public and Ubersuggest, if you use these on a consistent basis, you can actually build a list of content ideas that have real existing demand and bring steady traffic. So if you want to create content fairly quickly and consistently, you can actually use AI writing tools to generate articles based on your keywords, because this will save time and allow you to actually publish more content. So if you go to www.chat.openai.com and you use ChatGPT, you could just ask it to write full SEO optimized blog posts or outlines and even simple step-by-step guides that answer specific questions that you found on Google with those keyword research tools. Now, if you want content that is a bit more structured for search engines like Google, you could just go to Jasper AI at www.jasper.ai. And you can use Jasper to design, create long-form articles that are actually easier to rank on Google. So if you are a bit unsure how to actually format your blog articles, you can just ask AI to include headings, subheadings, and bullet points, because this actually makes your content easier to read and it actually improves the user experience as well. Now, if you just edit and refine the content slightly, you can actually produce higher quality articles that solve real problems and keep the readers engaged. But you also want to make sure you put your own insights in there as well. So if you want your website to look professional and keep visitors on the page, you can actually just improve the design and the performance using simple themes and plugins that are available in WordPress, because this will actually help make your website easier to use and navigate as well. So if you are actually using WordPress, you can just install some free themes from the WordPress theme library, which allows you to change your entire website design in just minutes without having any technical skills. So if you want to improve your search rankings on Google, you can actually install Yoast SEO, which is a plugin that guides you on how to optimize your titles, your keywords, and your readability so your content performs better on search engines like Google. Now, if you want faster loading times on your website, you can actually use caching plugins, because faster websites generally keep visitors on the page for a bit longer and reduce those bounce rates. If you optimize your website correctly, you can actually create a better experience that encourages those website visitors to stay and explore more pages on the website. Now, if you want to turn your traffic into an income source, you could just use advertising networks and affiliate links, because this allows you to actually earn money from visitors without selling your own product. So if you go to www.google.com/AdSense and use Google AdSense, you can actually place ads on your website and earn money whenever visitors click on the links, click on them on your website. And this works very well because it requires minimal setup once you actually get approved. So if you want to increase your earnings a bit more, you could just join Amazon Associates at www.amazon.co.uk/associates if you're in the UK, which allows you to just recommend products in your articles and earn a commission on each sale. Now, if you include really helpful recommendations from your articles and your content within your actual content, you can create multiple ways to earn from a single visitor. So if you combine ads and affiliate links, you actually build a simple system where your traffic actually generates income from different sources. This can be Google AdSense and from affiliate links within your content. So if you want to grow your website into a consistent passive income system, you can focus on publishing content regularly and just improving what is actually working, because this will increase your traffic over time. If you want to track the performance of your website, you can actually use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console, which will show you how many visitors you get on your website and which pages are performing the best. If you notice that certain topics are getting more traffic, you can just create more content based around those specific topics, because this helps you to actually grow faster. If you continue using AI tools to speed up your content creation and just focus on solving real problems with your content that you are finding from Google, from those keyword research tools, you could just build a simple website that attracts visitors daily and generates income without needing constant effort. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building your own online business and creating new income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the top pinned comment, where you can find some free guides and free resources to help you get started right away with building your new digital business and new income. These free resources will teach you step by step how to actually set up and create your own digital business and new online income streams as well. So I know these free resources will be very helpful for you. So don't wait, take action today. You can go and click the link below in the description and in the pinned comment and start your journey right now. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. It really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.